Hi there, I'm Abhishek Inamdar from Keyframes Animation. Today I'm going to show you a basic assignment of 3D Max. That is your second assignment in our session. That is the modeling of a wardrobe. In this tutorial, we will model a wardrobe basically in 3D Max, and that will be in mm. Size will be keep as a mm, and then we will model and then we will texture. That will be a very basics. So let's get started with this first lesson. First of all, I'll go to customize and I'll check my unit setup, and this will be in mm, so you can directly go and control it from here, or you can directly say mm. Generally what I do is I keep on generic and I'll go to system unit setup and I change it from here because I like generic to work on. So there is no hard and fast rule, you can just follow it, and I can change it to millimeters. So let's say okay. Now I'll just reset it again. Yeah, I'll take a box, drag a box, that will be a backside. I'll press G and remove this grid because it's confusing for me. Just change this 1820 mm. This will be 1195 width, 1195. Why is it changing? 1820 1820. So this is the basic the wardrobe back is there. So now I'll just check it. I'll go to modify, and the thickness of the ply will be some around 10 mm right now, and it's fine. I'll go to create menu, I'll say box, and this time I'll go to snap, say 2.5 snap, right click and say endpoint on, because I want to snap from here to here. So I'll just make one box like this. Yeah, say modify, this is perfect, will be 10. Press S on my keyboard and just say snap. Increase this one 545. Same thing, I'll make a copy. I'll just press S on my keyboard and I'll just off this snap. I don't want, so I'll just make a copy of it. Slightly off the ground because here will be a stand. Just say Alt W to maximize it. This was the problem, slightly is off the mark. Simple way, it's 1195 The same thing is here, 1195 width, 1195 width. Again we have to snap it point to point. Perfect. Sorry for double work guys, so I'll press it, snap again, and one 1195, snap on. Then I'll move forward slightly off the ground. Yeah. Take another box. Maybe the same height. One 1820. This is the width, will be 10. The height will be 545. Just copy it and say 545. Then I'll take this point, I'll press S on my keyboard and space bar on my keyboard, that is make a lock. See this, it's getting a lock, so by mistakenly I don't want to select any other objects. Now this is fine. I'll press snap again and release the lock. I'll press shift and drag it to make a copy. I'll say OK. So now again I'll press space bar on my keyboard, that will be, I'll get a lock, and I'll press S on my keyboard, that is a snap. If you see, press snap for the snap option. Now I'll drag this point perfectly. It's done. I'll just check what we have done in perspective. Yeah, it's coming out fine and fine, absolutely fine. So I'll go to back to front view. Now I'll make some ledges over here. So now I'll just make this copy. I'll make something like this, but I'll take a proper measurement of it, that is 765 mm. I'll go to rectangle, snap this rectangle, it's too short, I think. We want this one, so it's perfect, I think. Yeah, 765, yeah. And what I'll do is I'll just snap it, press space bar and make this align over here. And again, I don't want this box actually, rectangle, because this is only for alignment. I'll just delete it off. So we have got the perfect alignment into it. I can make this selection and slightly upwards. Yeah, I'll take another rectangle. Whenever I'm taking rectangle right now, I'm just taking for a measurement, that's it. And the another option is that you can go to helpers, and there is a tape. Like this, but I really don't use it, so I'm not doing right now, because if you press shift or control, it's not going straight. We have to just play it around and keep it like this. So I don't use it. I'm not recommending it, but I use this option as a measurement tool. So in next part, what I'll do is I'll make a ledges, and this part will be taken to improvement now. So thanks for watching my first part. See my second part for this improvement, and thank you.